Meaning of double-glazed.
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 Double-glazed. Double-glazed refers to a type of window or door that has two panes of glass with a small gap in between. This gap is usually filled with air or gas, creating a layer of insulation, which reduces the amount of heat that can escape or enter through the window or door. The result of double glazing is improved energy efficiency in a building, as less heat is lost through the windows and less external heat is allowed to enter, making it easier to maintain a comfortable temperature indoors. Additionally, double glazing also helps reduce noise levels.